Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a Voxbox review for you guys, and if you want to see what product I received complimentary from Influenster, then keep on watching. For those of you who don't know what Influenster is, I will link my playlist down below for you guys so you can kind of get a feel of how this works. But needless to say, if you haven't signed up for Influenster yet, please go ahead and do so, because why wouldn't you want to receive free product for your review? In my Voxbox, I received the Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick from Maybelline. I received mine in shade number 130, which is buff beige. And this was all that was inside of the box. So this is supposed to have coverage for up to 24 hours. It can be used to highlight, contour, or conceal. And mine is in like the perfect shade color for my skin tone, so I've used mine as a medium to full coverage foundation. It's a fairly good color match to my color. It's a little bit darker, but that's fine during the summer months. It comes with the foundation side down here, which has been used already, and then the other end over here is a sponge applicator, which I have also used to apply this. I think I saw this retail for $9.99 at Ulta over the weekend, so it's a fairly affordable drugstore foundation. When it comes to the actual wearability of this, I would say it's pretty medium to full coverage. It can be built up and it can, you know, be layered too. And again, if it's going to be concealing and highlighting and contouring, it's definitely going to add a little bit of extra coverage and protection for you. I was a pretty big fan of this because I have also had the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation in the liquid, and mine is in shade 128, which is warm nude, and I don't like this formula whatsoever. I had a friend recommend this to me because she swore by it, but for me, I don't know if it's just a bad color match or what it is, but when I would wear this, it would patch on my skin, left my skin feeling super oily, and I just wasn't a fan of this. So when I saw that I was getting the stick foundation, I was almost a little apprehensive because of the fact I knew that I didn't love the Superstay formula and the liquid. I currently have this on my face right now, and I will say that the coverage is, again, medium to full. It can definitely be layered up to give you full coverage. Usually what I will do is I will put 3 across the cheeks, and then I will do 1 and 1 on my forehead and my chin, and then just kind of blend in from there. I do like the finish of this because it goes from basically stick to powder finish. It's not a heavy dose of foundation on the skin. In fact, I think it wears pretty well, especially in the heat. I think this could be in comparison to a Hourglass foundation stick dupe. I've never tested their formula, so I could totally be misguiding you, but I think if you're looking for an affordable, full coverage foundation stick, this might be your guy. When it comes to the applicator, I've used it. I don't love it. I would rather use a damp beauty blender or even using my fingers, which is what they recommend doing. I like my liquid foundations, but for something that's a fun change of pace, I like this. I love the finish of it because, again, it's that cream to powder finish without like the bulkiness of a compact or, you know, worrying about loose powders. This kind of is a grab and go. This would be perfect for traveling because it wouldn't really break the TSA 3.4 ounce rule breaks. So, you know, I was definitely surprised. If you're on the market for a new foundation and you want something that's going to give you medium to full coverage that won't break your bank and that you can try to like play around with contouring and whatnot, I would try giving this a fair shake. Isn't a bad drugstore foundation. I know with the liquid foundation I had my hesitations, but this guy I definitely like. If I am in the market and if I do need a cheap drugstore foundation, this isn't going to stray you wrong. I definitely think that it's a good formula for what it is. It's under $10, which you can't beat, because I know like the Hourglass foundation sticks are like $52. So like, go ahead and give this a shot. I definitely would recommend, if somebody is on the market, I would tell them to, hey, try this out. There's 16 different shades, so I'm sure you will be covered when it comes to highlighting or to concealing or to contouring. That's basically it for this video. This is kind of a quick little Voxbox review because we only had the one product to review inside said box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Voxbox reviews. I will also be sure to do a full blog review of the products so that way I can throw in price points, where you can buy, and all of the etc. down below. And you guys can find that over at the blog at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2H's2Ks, and I'll be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. So I received this product completely complimentary from Influenster, and if you guys want to sign up to get free makeup or free products, be sure to check out Influenster down below. I will leave a link for you guys so you guys can sign up. There's honestly no charge to sign up for it. There's really no repercussions to signing up. Be sure to check out Influenster. I will link it down below for you guys. And with that said, that's basically everything in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle out. And thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care, love you always, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.